Let me show you how to record videos and also take pictures with your mini drone. So by the way, this drone basically has few different model names, but again, it's really the same drone, identical on each of it. So to do it, we have to actually download this app called Wi-Fi UAV, and it's available on Play Store and also Apple Store. So before we open, make sure to turn on your drone with your on-off button. And then when we open the app, so we have to click over here on this corner. And the drone essentially creates its own Wi-Fi network that we can connect to. So in your Wi-Fi settings, you'll see basically, okay, so let's simply click this and you see it says connected, no internet access. So that's what it should say. So, and when we go back, we can click start over here and you see, we can basically see what our drone is seeing. By the way, on this drone, we actually have two different cameras. So one on the front, obviously, but also you see you have tiny camera, another one over here. But the quality of this one isn't very good. So the best quality really is on the front one. So yeah, you can see basically. And if you want to record a video, as you see over here on the corner, you have this video recording option. You see, once I press it, video starts recording. Then you can film yourself, so while flying, obviously. And once finished, again, click the same button. Also, you see, you can also like take a picture here by pressing that button over here, and then you can go in the gallery after you basically are done. You can see all your pictures here and also all your videos here as well. So for example, you can open up your videos basically that you have recorded using this drone, and again, this is what the quality would look like. So if you're wondering, so for this price, I think that's actually fairly decent quality. Yeah, considering the price, yeah, that's actually pretty decent. Obviously, it's not super high quality, but again, just for fun, I think that's pretty like reasonable quality here, as you can see. So yeah, pretty cool. And that's about it really. By the way, also, if you are looking to get this drone, I have a special discount link that I'll place in the description. So on AliExpress lately, you can pick up this drone only for a bit over $10. So if you follow the special link in the description, also you see that's also is with free shipping. So again, this is a listing where I actually got mine from. So if you also are looking to get one, yep, basically, so AliExpress really is probably the cheapest place, so only a bit over $10. And yeah, so the quality, camera quality, I would say it's like decent enough for this price, so can't really complain at all. Also, I really like basically how stable it is in air. Also, durability really is top notch on this drone. I have had it for a couple of weeks and I have crashed it like so many times already. And again, it's pretty much like indestructible basically. So yeah, absolutely amazing drone. Good luck.